How you doing, guys? Today we have an 07 Mitsubishi Eclipse and we want to make another key. I'll show you how. Let's start. So the customer have a broken remote head key and he wants us to make another one. So I'm going to use Rytan RY200 and we're going to duplicate it first on a test key. And just to make sure that we cut it right, I'm going to put this gauge stopper and because it's a tip gauge, and we're gonna have a copy. By the way, if you like those type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see our daily locksmith videos. In this video, I'm only going to show you how to clone the chip, because cloning on this car is the easiest way to create another chip key, since we don't need a pin code or anything else. So we're gonna duplicate first a Mid 6, that's the blank here, and we're going to test it on the door and make sure that it works fine, and then we're going to clone the chip. I'm going to brush it to clean up all the metal shavings, and we'll go and test it in the car. So we're going to put it in the door and make sure that it turns both sides nice and easy, and now we can clone the chip. I'm going to use the old VVDI Key Tool. That's the original one that they came out, and I have a super chip. We're going to go to automatic detection, and I'm going to put the original key first, and I'm going to read it. So I'm going to hit enter, and it's reading right now the chip. It's going to show me the type of chip, and I'm going to press the down arrow to clone. It's going to read it one more time, and I'm going to hit enter again for the key tool to collect the information. Now it tells me that I need to go to the ignition and I need to sniff some information. So I'm going to stay on the same screen. You can barely see it, but it tells me to put the antenna next to the antenna of the car, next to the ignition, and turn it to on position, and hit sniff. So I may need to do it a couple of times, and then it's going to tell me to take the key out and put it back in the machine. So after I do that, it registers the information. Now it's the process to put it back and hit calculate. So it's going to calculate the password. It does everything automatically. You don't need to worry about anything. Calculate. And the next step, it's just going to tell you to put the super chip inside. There you go. Calculate success. Now it tells you to take this one out and put the super chip. So I'm taking the super chip and I'm going to attach this tiny super chip right next to the antenna from the inside. I'm going to hit right and it says clone success. Now this will start your car. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.